Hey Jeep family, Scott L here from the SFJ4x4 Trail Team. Welcome to SFJ4x4 TV. If you're new here, welcome to our Jeep family. This channel is all about living the Jeep adventure lifestyle. Anything from hitting the trails with the SFJ4x4 Trail Team, media coverage from all your favorite Jeep events, featured SFJ4x4 builds, behind the scene footage from SFJ4x4, and much more. Like today we're gonna do a YouTube giveaway. We have the very last I Speak Jeep SFJ shirt up for grabs. On the front, it has the I Speak Jeep. On the back, it has the Build It, Break It, Build It Better SFJ4x4 classic logo. And one of you watching this video is gonna take that home along with some other SFJ4x4 swag. How to enter is simple. All you need to do is subscribe to SFJ4x4 TV on YouTube, comment on the video, I Speak Jeep, and let us know what Jeep adventure videos you wanna see next. We will randomly choose and announce a winner over on our Facebook page. Make sure you follow us over there at Simpson Family Jeeps and like us on all of our other social media platforms, Twitter, Instagram, at SFJ_4x4. For more information about SFJ4x4 and to check out our list of USA proud aftermarket parts and accessories, be sure to check us out at SFJ4x4.com. Good luck, Jeep family.